Hi everyone, I'm Sio from Online Health Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode on Bitget Wallet. Enabling dark mode can reduce eye strain and enhance your overall experience while using the app, especially in low light conditions. So, let's get started on how to turn on dark mode on Bitget Wallet. First, open the Bitget Wallet on your device. Tap on the menu icon from the top left corner of your screen. At the top right corner of the menu, you will see a moon icon. Tap on it to activate dark mode. And this is how you can turn on dark mode on Bitget Wallet. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.